This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Martin Garcia. Excellent opportunity to own a maintenance-free paired villa in beautiful Palm-Aire Golf and CC. Outstanding location off the University Parkway corridor. You are minutes away from multiple shopping options, dining, recreational facilities, hospitals, SRQ International Airport, Lakewood Ranch, Ringling Museum, downtown Sarasota, and of course our award-winning beaches. The optional Palm-Aire Golf and Country Club has just completed a multi-million-dollar improvement that you must see. The low HOA fees include water, sewer, pest control, trash removal, lawn and garden, roof, exterior of home, and a maintenance staff to leave you free to enjoy your new surroundings. The home consists of 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a den/office off the master bedroom. Entering through double doors, there is a combo living room/dining room and a large air-conditioned family room surrounded by a wall of windows looking out at a peaceful preserve area. The kitchen was recently renovated and opens up to the dining area. There is also an oversized 1-car garage. There also is a community pool for this section of Palm-Aire. Schedule your showing today and start living the Florida lifestyle. For more information, review the details below.